This program is rated PG. It contains themes and scenes which may not be suitable for very young audiences. Parental guidance is advised.
Kagabi sa Pinoy Big Brother Connect, isa-isa nang pumasok sa bahay ni Kuya ang kanyang mga bagong housemates.
Ryan Mabalo, 20, ang tender juicy ng Bangar, La Union.
Hello, are you ready?
Yes po, Kuya.
So what is your course?
Kuya, I'm studying nursing, focus on providing care and support to patients to improve their health and well-being.
So why nursing?
I've always had a passion for helping others, and nursing gives me the opportunity to make a direct impact on people's lives.
Why did you choose this profession?
I chose nursing because I've always been drawn to healthcare and have a deep desire to make a difference in people's lives.
What area do you prefer and why?
I prefer the emergency room. The fast-paced, high-pressure environment in the ER excites me.
What country would you want to go for your job and why?
I would love to work in Canada. The healthcare system there is known for its high standards, and the opportunity to work with a diverse population while gaining experience in a well-established medical environment is something I'm really drawn to.
2 points for Rai.
2 points for Joby.
2 point I think is Rai. I'm giving 2 points for Nicole.
Abangan ang pagbabalik ng teleserye ng totoong buhay.
Housemates, na-miss nyo ba ang boses ko?
Pinoy Big Brother 8 sa ating